Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. Wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. Welcome back to Low Carb Tiki. For the next few videos, I am officially dubbing myself the Low Carb Tiki guy. Now, this video is going to be a collaboration with another YouTuber named Erica from Time to Shrink. Wonderful YouTube channel, lots of keto tips, recipes, and tricks to stay on keto, meal prepping. I think I even saw a video of hers for an egg fast, which is, it's a big thing. But recently she's gotten into cocktails, and it's kind of how we met through social media with some of her low carb and keto cocktails, and decided, hey, let's do a collaboration. So that's what this is. This is gonna be a collaboration with Erica from Time to Shrink. There'll be a card up here, you can check out her channel. So I figured what better time to do a collaboration than Tiki time? So let's get started on a shark's tooth. Now, what Erica likes to do is she likes to take some traditional cocktails, put a little tweak and her personal spin on them to make them unique. Now, she did tell me one thing she was doing, and I thought, oh, I can't wait to see how this comes out. So make sure when you click her card, you go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when those videos come out. And make sure if you watch her videos and you like them, give her a thumbs up and leave a comment, because that helps all of us YouTubers out. So, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start off with one of the easiest drinks that we'll be making. And this is a Don the Beachcomber cocktail from the 1930s. If you read anything about Don the Beachcomber, you know anything, he makes some very complex drinks like the zombie and some things like that. And I got a video for the zombie I did a few years ago. You can check that one out. But this really is not that hard. It's a pretty simple cocktail to make, and it's really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So what you're gonna need is a Barbados Rum, Mount Gay Eclipse, budget friendly. A Jamaican Rum, Appleton Special Blend, friendly on a budget. You're gonna need some light pineapple juice. Now, if you have trouble finding Libby's light pineapple juice, you can use, where's it at? Back here is Jordan makes a pineapple syrup with 0 carbs. This is pretty good. It's got a little bit of a candy taste to it, but this is a good, decent stand-in for pineapple juice. So Libby's pineapple juice, it has 14 grams of carbs per 8 ounces. If you cut that down to the ounce, like most cocktails have, it's 1.75. This particular cocktail only uses a half an ounce. So that is 0.8, yep, there it is, 0.875 grams of carbs. So less than a gram of carbs in our pineapple juice. That's amazing. Next, you're going to need some fresh lime juice, 2.5 grams of carbs per ounce. We're using a half ounce, so 1.25. And a simple syrup, allulose, 0 carbs. And you can check out my mixer video right here, and that'll go over all the different mixers that you're gonna need throughout this entire Tiki season. So let's go ahead and get started. This cocktail is what they call flash blended. So you put your ingredients in a blender, and you're gonna do a really quick 5-second blend at the tops, and that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this built. Let me get my jigger. So in your blender, you're gonna do 1 ounce of your Jamaican rum. Put that in your blender. You're gonna do 1 ounce of your Barbados rum, Bajan rum, as it is also called. 1 ounce of that. So like I mentioned, the other ingredients will only be a half an ounce. So we'll start off with the simple syrup. Half ounce of the simple syrup. Half ounce of fresh lime juice. And a half ounce of the pineapple juice. There is one other ingredient. Oh, that's a full ounce. That's half ounce. Now there is one other ingredient traditionally in this drink, and that is the juice from a jar of maraschino cherries. Since that is definitely not low carb, so we'll be using Monen's sugar-free pomegranate syrup instead, and that's gonna be 1 teaspoon, and that'll be 2 of my bar spoons. That's gonna be 4 of my bar spoons. 1, 2, 3, And my bar spoon is 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now I'm going to add some crushed ice to the blender. You can do it a couple of different ways. You can crush it yourself. And if you watch my how to set up your home bar on a budget, talked about an ice mallet in a Lewis bag. And if you don't have one of those, you can go ahead and just use a kitchen towel and a rolling pin. Or you can just go buy some Sonic ice. That works too. So we'll add some ice to our Lewis bag. We'll roll that up a little bit, give it a good pounding. That's it. We'll add that to our mixer. And let's go ahead and put our top on our party blender. Let's move all this over a little bit, kind of out the way. And we'll get ourselves a old-fashioned glass or rocks glass. We're gonna go ahead and give it a quick 5-second blend. That's it. We'll pour that in our glass. Now, garnish this traditionally is some pineapple fronds and a cherry. Don't have that. So just something simple, just to keep some fragrance in it also, is a little bit of mint. And there you have the shark's tooth. Let's go ahead and try this out. Love crushed ice in a drink. Love crushed ice in a cocktail. Man, that's so good. That's so good. The lime juice, the pineapple, the 2 different rums. Can't say enough about it. Barbados rum got a little bit of a funk to it, which is a good funk. It's a good funk. You can check out my my Barbados rum punch. I have a video for that one also. You can check that one out where I use Mount Gay. All right, guys, y'all have a great day, because after this one and the other 5 I got planned, I'm gonna be having a great day too. See y'all later. A shark's tooth. Oh man, that's good. That's good.